Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to replace toner chip on 136A toner. The video is for those who purchase chipless toner and want to change the chip and use it. This one is original toner, so we will remove chip from here and install it in chipless toner. This one is chipless toner, so here you see the model of toner W136A and the printer model is here. You see all of the printer model will accept it. We need to remove chip from original toner by using heat. Chip are not destroyed by the heat of the fire, so there is no reason to worry. The chip is mounted on a casting. The part where the chip is embedded will melt, then remove the chip. I have removed the chip from the original toner. Here you see it was melted and removed from here, and I will replace with another chipless toner. Here you see the toner, this place. Here you see a lock, just press here and pull it. Easily it will be set and remove all the protection from the toner. You see here it was fitted and it is usable now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.